Hey everybody, today I'm showing you 3 cool inventions from Andrews Manufacturing. You can see the name here, also here. I don't know if it has it there somewhere. There we go. And this is the Magnetron. So these are magnetic toys that you can put on your desk to put on a show. This just reacts. It doesn't need a battery. These other two have a battery inside their base. They create the illusion of perpetual motion, even though perpetual motion is not real because it violates the first or second law of thermodynamics. These toys are generally advertised as perpetual motion, in addition to some marble machines that also have battery and electromagnetic mechanism, and those also are sold as perpetual motion, but none of them are actually perpetual motion. Now, I reviewed these in the past, but a commenter left a reply on one of my videos saying some sad story about the inventor and what happened. I thought, why not go back and compare a few of these. I have a bunch more that I have to find. Let's see how these work. This is the top mystery. Now, there are other cheaper versions of this that have come on sites such as AliExpress, and they work the same way, but this is the original one. There's also one from another brand, I think Kingsco or something like that. So how it works is it has this motor system in the base. It's hidden. You put a battery in and this thing keeps rotating. Without it, it stops. It doesn't really go anywhere. Doesn't do a whole lot of spinning. You can do it like that, but it stops after a quick spin. Now, this is the max I've gotten it. Now, this area here is designed to keep it going, especially when you have the battery. This is the space wheel. It's one of my favorite desk toys. It's not that complicated. It's one of these multi-rotor things that you put on it, and it has, again, a similar mechanism inside the base. See, space wheel, Andrews Manufacturing. You open it from one of these sides, and then you'll be able to see the mechanism. I'm just gonna open it. That's how it works. Again, a very similar process. Here's how it works. So I give that a spin, and it keeps going. It doesn't stop, as you can see. Now, it's much better if you put it on a flat surface. This keeps rotating, and when it gets to this area, it starts spinning up, reaches that side, then goes back. So very simple design. See, it speeds up right there. It gets it to the top. It goes back again. So it's a very cool way to demonstrate some physics concepts, especially about magnets and rotation, and momentum, and things like that. And this pretty much is a bunch of magnets that react to each other and keep moving. These two keep going as long as you have some battery. Now, you're not supposed to have these close because they could interfere. Believe it or not, as cool as these are, they're not my favorite from Andrews Manufacturing. The best one that I have is Wildwood chaotic pendulum. It's very rare, but it's one of the coolest toys that I have. These are decent, but again, they're simple. I like chaotic toys better, especially chaotic pendulums or Newton's cradle, Maxwell's wheel, even things like that. My cats absolutely love this because it makes sort of random movements, and they like anything that moves. And this just very simple, speeds up, keeps going back and forth. Not a whole lot to it, but a lot of people like this toy back in the day. They still collect it. They're available in multiple colors. I've covered 3 of them on the channel, so you may want to go check it out. One of them is like a white base. One of them is sort of like a colorful base. It's not from Andrews Manufacturing, that one. That one was made a couple decades later, I think. But this one, there's a black base with a sort of silver, I think, if I'm not mistaken, or chrome-like top. I've covered that as well. I just don't remember the color. It's been a long time ago, so you may want to go check it out. And these are available in 2 colors that I have, black and this color. That's about it. For more information, please go to gadgetify.com, also youtube.com/gadgetify. If you like magnets, if you like these toys, please like the video. It helps the channel a lot. I also have a lot of shorts on magnetic toys and also rare toys, so check them out as well. Those are pretty short. Those are, I think, 10 to 15 seconds, sometimes 20 seconds max. Thanks for watching.